Hi, welcome to the practice questions on being able to convert between standard form and normal form. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, have a go at converting these questions here into normal form, and when you're happy with your answers, then if you restart the video and we'll go through the model answers together. So pause the video now, have a go at questions 1 to 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these together. What we've got to do here is we've got to write 3.6 times 10 to the 7 in its normal format. So we're taking it out of standard form. Now basically what this means here is we're going to multiply 3.6 by 10 to the power of 7, or 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 7 times. So what happens here is because we've got this power of 7 here, we're multiplying it by this number here that has 7 zeros. This is actually 10 million. So we need to, when we're multiplying by a number with 7 zeros, we need to shift our digits 7 places to the left. So all we do is this 3 moves back 7 places. So we get 3, 6. Obviously if we're shifting these to the left, we've got to fill this in with zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. If we check and put our decimal back in, we should be able to move this 7 places to get to the end. So if our decimal went there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer to this one in normal format is 3, 6 with 6 zeros there, 36 million. Now you need to be a little bit careful. What some people tend to do is just look at the 7 there and write 36 with 7 zeros on it. But what we really need to look at is this 6 would be moved to the left, so we'd have one of our zeros taken up with the 6 being moved, so we'd have 6 zeros added on. If we use that advice in this one here, if we move the 9 one place to the left, we're going to have 49. I'm not going to write 9 zeros down, I need to write down 8 zeros. Now let's check, make sure it's correct. If we had our decimal here, to get to the end should be a movement of 9 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got the correct answer. Question 3. Now this time we're timesing it by 10 to the negative power. What that's going to do is make this number smaller. We're basically dividing it by 10 to the negative 2. So this time our digits are going to be moved to the right. So they're going to be moved to the right 2 places. Well, obviously if I move the 6 one place to the right, I get 0.62. To move it 2 places to the right, I need to introduce a 0 in front of it. So I get 0.062. Again, it's a good idea to check whether if we move this 2 places, it gives us our 6.2 that we started with. 1, 2 takes us to 6.2. Same with this one here. I'm going to be moving my digits 5 places to the right. So if I move for the 4, 1 to the right, that gives me 0.46. I'm going to then need to introduce 6 zeros in front of it. So my answer will become 0.1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 4, 6. Let's just check that the decimal would go in the right place if I move it 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer 0.0000046.